What's going on YouTube? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. We're here in the busy season. Summer's here and we're going to be doing a lot of pressure washing. So we're going to keep you guys updated with brand new videos. Make sure to like, subscribe, and then drop a comment down below where you guys are located. And then also want to know what kind of questions do you guys have for me. Would love to answer those in future videos. Now, if you guys are just getting started out and you want to go ahead and get started out, you know, school is about to end and summer's about to roll around. Well, I do have links in the description from Amazon. I've listed everything that you guys need, from pressure washer to your hoses, to your garden hoses, to all of your different tips, the J-rod, ball valve, surface cleaner. Everything that we use and we're using in this video is actually linked in the description. So make sure that you check that out. I have several different power washers for you guys to start with depending on your budget. Also, the surface cleaner that you see us using here is listed there below. That is the best surface cleaner. It is a 20-inch BE Whirlaway, so definitely recommend that you guys get that. Here on this job, we're doing it a repeat customer that we got from the Facebook ads. Been doing this customer for ever since I moved here in Tampa. So we've been doing this job a lot. We clean the house and then also the driveway. We're going to be resanding and sealing the driveway pretty soon here. We charge $1.50 per square foot. So anybody who's in Florida and come across pavers, or maybe you're in another part of the country and you come across pavers, well, you want to I highly recommend resanding and sealing. Now, if you guys are just starting out and you've gotten all the equipment and you want to go ahead and learn, you know, how do I get jobs? Well, first off, I do have a free Facebook group, so join the Pressure Wash community. Also, if you want to learn how to price out jobs, I do have a pressure washing pricing handbook down below for $30. And then also, you know, I recommend starting out with friends and family. So if you just want to get started out, you want to start getting jobs like this, go ahead and start reaching out to your friends and family, also your local neighbors, right? So reach out to your neighbors and knock on their door. Or when I first started 10 years ago, we had an app that was a community app, not Nextdoor, which is very popular today. And I see a lot of people getting business from that, so do try it. But I use like a different app back then in my neighborhood and was able to, you know, sell my story that I was a college student and I got a ton of business. I was getting about 2 or 3 jobs per day, driveways, fences, houses, you name it. We were doing it. Had me and a buddy, which I had some videos in the past from us working, but yeah, so that's kind of where I started, was friends and family, and they're going to recommend you to, you know, other people. So that's, you know, a great way of growing your business. But if you find that you can't find friends or family and, you know, maybe you've tried everybody, but things have slowed down, then you want to go ahead and start with your marketing. Now, we do offer a service, me and my company, 813 Agency. Join the Facebook group or look at the testimonials on the YouTube that I post. Every single day, we're seeing a lot of great results. This is where we set up all of your advertising for you. So not only your Facebook ads, but your Craigslist, your Nextdoor, help you rank there locally on Google My Business, share with you information on signs and how we use those to book up jobs. So if you're interested in having me set all that up for you, me and my team, send me a message at 843-888-2371 or simply book a call with me. It's a free call, free strategy call. We'll go over all my different services. I want to learn where you're at. So just going to ask you a few questions like, you know, where are you located? And based off of my experience, see if your area is a good fit for us. And then also, you know, see what you've done to get jobs so far. So if you're interested in that, send me a message or drop a link down below, fill out your information, and I'll give you the call at the time you choose. Hope to talk to each and every one of you guys soon. Take care.